by the Times Democrat. We're going to try to give away that 120 beans shortly in the WOC Money Street game. Astrid Gilberto next.
I had the craziest dream.
Money Street jackpot contains $120.
If you are the first person to call, and if your street address matches the number in our sealed envelope, you will win our cash jackpot. $5 will be added to our jackpot every day we fail to get a winner.
Herbie Mann is next from a new motion picture, the title song, To Serve with Love. Dick Scott is standing by to report WOC Local at 30 News 6 minutes from now. Pretty little Claudine Langer going to sing Small Talk.
This is Johnny Lou Jack.
Hello, I'm Bill Gress, and this is Comment.
Bill Gress comments again tomorrow morning following the 6 o'clock news on WOC Radio, the Quad Cities leadership station. Now let's get back to our...
WOC, sound of the Quad Cities.
Realize we've been on almost an hour and Ella hasn't been here yet?
Just you, just me.
Barometric pressure is falling at 30.11, and the current temperature 62 degrees under sunny skies, 6-2, atop the WOC Weather Tower.
The Modern Airs for General Motors Harrison, with the modern air way to drive in comfort all year long.
When the weatherman kicks up a fuss, here's a comfort driving tip from us. Car climate is always fair with 4-season climate control. The Modern Air. In spring and fall, when it's kind of cool, there's warm conditioned air.
No fooling.
Excess humidity takes an awful clout. The pound count won't count you out. In the winter time, there's old Jack Frost looking gloomy, kinda lost.
You're warm and cozy while you ride.
'Cause old Jack Frost, man, he's outside. In summertime, let's break the rule. Don't drive it hot.
Play it cool.
You're stepping out so smartly dressed. You arrive feeling good, looking so refreshed.
With 4-season climate control.
The Modern Air.
At your Chevrolet, Pontiac, Oldsmobile, Buick, and Cadillac dealers.
WOC, and we're glad you're listening.
Tony Bennett has a very gorgeous song on one of his newest albums called Dia-da-da-da-da. Have you ever heard it? It goes... Dia-da-da-dee-dia-da-da-dee. Here on WOC, WOC FM, Davenport.
NBC Emphasis. Let's be frank.
This is NBC News. Russia wins Hanoi agreement to attend a communist showdown conference. NBC Radio News.
Al Cap. They call me an expert on nothing, but with opinions on everything on Monitor, weekends on NBC Radio.
WOC 1420 in Davenport.
Good morning, Trading Post.
Morning. I have to sell beautiful draperies for living room and dining room, and I have a 3/4 car coat and dresses in very good condition, size 16 and 18, and very reasonable. And my telephone number is 788-4136. And see that you advertise it good.
I beg your pardon?
See that you advertise this good.
You just did it, ma'am.
I did?
Yes.
Well, I guess I'm not a good sales lady.
788-4136.
Yes.
It may not be that it may be that you're a good sales lady, but nobody wants any draperies, car coat, or dresses 16 to 18.
Oh, gee whiz. You mean I don't even get one call?
That's the breaks of the game.
Yeah, okay, well,
right.
Thank you.
I don't know, the service is free, and I still get complaints. Huh? We're going to start a complaint department, and we'll call the show Call Bob Brown with your complaint.
Join Bob Allard on Contact WOC, the Quad Cities' first nighttime phone show, 10:35 to midnight. Weeknights here on WOC, AM and FM, Davenport, 4 o'clock.
This is NBC News. Confusion thrice compounded on the Vietnamese peace front.
30 degrees tomorrow. Yeah, that's the effect of... that's the weather for today. And see what happens when I try to read? That's the weather for today and tomorrow. How will it affect the skiing, Bob Brown reports.
And with weather like that, the weather we have been having lately, it looks like skiing should be improving daily, and this weekend will be the best.
72 degrees on the WOC weather tower. Carmen McRae.
Are the stars out tonight?
In 10 minutes, WOC World at 60 News will be playing Money Street in the next portion of the show. We have 62 on the weather tower. Kind of an unusual day, isn't it, for this time of the year? Rather chilly in the Quad City area. Jays and Jamie are a little unnerved with the fact that
they're writing songs of love, but not for me.